exposing the future of marketing. AI is changing everything. And here's how. Digital marketing, it's all around us. From social media to search engines, it's how brands connect with you. But there's a game changer in town: AI. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a powerhouse transforming how we market. Imagine personalized ads targeting exactly what your customers want. AI analyzes data faster than you can say click-through rate. It's like having a marketing assistant who never sleeps. Tools like chatbots. They're AI-driven, offering instant customer service, day and night. And let's not forget predictive analytics. AI can forecast trends, so you're always one step ahead. So, whether you're optimizing SEO or crafting compelling content, AI is your secret weapon. Ready to supercharge your marketing? Embrace AI and watch your strategies soar. Stay curious, marketers. Until next time.